वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल माइनिंग ज्ञान। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल माइनिंग ज्ञान में स्वागत है। आज हम मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट 1000 माइनिंग एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ का पार्ट 18 डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। यदि आपने बाकी के पार्ट्स अभी तक नहीं देखे तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए लिंक पर क्लिक करके आप बाकी के पार्ट्स देख सकते हैं। इस वीडियो की PDF का लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए अब देर न करते हुए अपना माइनिंग ज्ञान और बढ़ाते हैं। First question is, board and pillar workings in two flat and gently dipping contiguous seams should be developed with their roadways and pillars perfectly. Option A, diagonal. Option B, overlapping. Option C, step diagonal. Option D, circular. Right answer is option B, board and pillar workings in two flat and gently dipping contiguous seams should be developed with their roadways and pillars perfectly overlapping. Next question is, piling method, Kazan method, freezing method, cementation process are some special method of loose unstable ground with or without presence of water. Option A, longwall mining. Option B, drifting. Option C, shaft sinking. Option D, driving galleries in coal seam. Right answer is option C, piling method, Kazan method, freezing method एवं सीमेंटेशन प्रोसेस शाफ्ट सिंकिंग के लिए उपयोग किए जाने वाले स्पेशल मेथड्स हैं। आगे बढ़ने से पहले शाफ्ट सिंकिंग के लिए उपयोग होने वाले स्पेशल मेथड्स के बारे में जान लेते हैं। ये अक्सर एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं। द मेथड ऑफ सिंकिंग थ्रू लूज डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ सैंड अप टू 20 मीटर इज पिलिंग सिस्टम। द मेथड ऑफ सिंकिंग थ्रू लूज डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ सैंड अप टू 60 मीटर ओपन कैजन। द मेथड ऑफ सिंकिंग थ्रू अल्टरनेट लूज एंड टफ स्ट्रेटा अप टू 60 मीटर फोर्स्ड ड्रॉप। The method of sinking where there is ground filling problem or considerable inrush of water up to depth of 30 meter pneumatic caisson. The method of sinking in unstable or friable strata with heavy inrush of water, freezing method. The method of sinking used through any fissured water bearing strata except in running sand is cementation. Next question is, factor of safety of slope of an open cast mine. Option A goes up. Option B reduces. Option C remains unchanged. Option D fluctuates with increase in pore water pressure. Right answer is option B. Factor of safety of slope of an open cast mine reduces with increase in pore water pressure. Next question is, pick the odd one out which is not contributing to the qualification process. Option A, climatic conditions. Option B, time. Option C, depth of burial. Option D, method of working. Right answer is option D, method of working is not contributing to the qualification process. यानी क्वालिफिकेशन प्रोसेस में मेथड ऑफ वर्किंग का कोई लेना देना नहीं है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ जनरल मोड ऑफ स्लोप फेलियर? ऑप्शन ए, प्लेनर फेलियर. ऑप्शन बी, रोटेशनल फेलियर. ऑप्शन सी, टॉपलिंग फेलियर. ऑप्शन डी, shear फेलियर. Right answer is option D. Shear failure is not a general mode of slope failure. Next question is, minimum thickness of parting to be left between two sections of thick seam. Option A, 3 meter. Option B, 5 meter. Option C, 7 meter. Option D, 1 meter. Right answer is option A. Minimum 3 meter thickness of parting to be left between two sections of a thick seam. Next question is, productivity of a highly mechanized coal mine depends on option A, percentage availability of equipment. Option B, percentage utilization of equipment. Option C, manpower availability. Option D, percentage availability of equipment and percentage utilization of equipment. Right answer is option D, productivity of a highly mechanized coal mine depends on percentage availability of equipment and percentage utilization of equipment. Next question is, in longwall mining, advanced supporting of gate roads up to 30 meter from the face is required due to option A, back abutment pressure. Option B, yielding pressure. Option C, front abutment pressure. Option D, advanced load. Right answer is option C. In longwall mining, advanced supporting of gate roads up to 30 meter from the face is required due to front abutment pressure. Next question is, an overhead line is passing over haul road. What should be the minimum clearance of lowest conductor over haul road? Option A, at least 15 meter. Option B, at least 10 meter. Option C, at least 12 meter. Option D, at least 5 meter. Right answer is option C. The minimum clearance should be at least 12 meter. Next question is, what is the maximum height or width of advanced heading for dewatering of waterlogged workings in coal mines? Option A, 2 meter. Option B, 2.4 meter. Option C, 2.8 meter. Option D, 3 meter. Right answer is option B. The maximum height and width of advanced heading for dewatering of waterlogged workings in coal mines is 2.4 meter. Next question is, which of the following statement holds good for longwall mining? Option A, maximum tensile stress remains at the edge of the gope. Option B, maximum tensile stress remains at the center of the gope. Option C, maximum tensile stress shifts from the edge to the center of the gope. Option D, maximum tensile stress shall be away from the chain pillars. Right answer is option B. In longwall mining, maximum tensile stress remains at the center of the gope. Next question is, coal is a option A, igneous formation. Option B, metamorphic formation. Option C, sedimentary formation. Option D, magmatic formation. Right answer is option C. कोल एक sedimentary formation है. Next question is, of the given methods of work of underground mining of a coal seam in same geomining conditions, which method will cause maximum surface subsidence? Option A, advanced long walling with stowing. Option B, wide and stall method. Option C, board and pillar working with caving. Option D, board and pillar working with stowing. Right answer is option C. In same geomining conditions, board and pillar working with caving will cause maximum surface subsidence. Next question is, which of the following equipment is more suited for site casting in open cast mines? Option A, excavator. Option B, electric shovel. Option C, rope shovel. Option D, drag line. Right answer is option D. Most suitable equipment for site casting in open cast mines is drag line. Next question is, burned site drilling apparatus is used for option A, underground short hole drilling. Option B, surface blast holes. Option C, drilling long holes for dewatering. Option D, drilling long holes for getting core from depth. Right answer is option C. Burned site drilling apparatus is used for drilling long holes for dewatering. Next question is, lignite deposit is found in option A, Rajasthan. Option B, Jharkhand. Option C, Chhattisgarh. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. Right answer is option A. Lignite deposit is found in Rajasthan. Next question is, Jankovic method is basically a variant of option A, inclined slicing in descending order with caving. Option B, horizontal slicing in ascending order with stowing. Option C, inclined slicing in ascending order with stowing. Option D, inclined slicing in descending order with stowing. Right answer is option B. Jankovic method is a variant of horizontal slicing in ascending order with stowing. Next question is, interburden means option A, coal seams. Option B, overburden. Option C, strata between coal seams. Option D, shale bands. Right answer is option C. Interburden means strata between coal seam. Next question is, typical face length in Indian longwall mines lies in the range of option A, 120 to 150 meter. Option B, 200 to 250 meter. Option C, 300 to 350 meter. Option D, 150 to 200 meter. Right answer is option A. Typical face length in Indian longwall mines lies in the range of 120 to 150 meter. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more mining related videos.